Welcome to another episode of the Scran Line Every Day. I'm your host, Nick McCreadies, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious Greek appetizer. It's called honey baked feta. It is the ultimate hit of sweet and savory, all wrapped up in a crispy golden phyllo pastry. It's finished off with a drizzle of sweet honey and topped with sesame seeds, and it's a rich little appetizer that's so darn delicious. Begin by melting your butter in the microwave very gently for maybe 10-second bursts at a time, then add some olive oil and mix that together. Set that aside. Now today we're going to be using phyllo pastry. You can find this at your local supermarket in the fridge or freezer section. If it's in the freezer section, let it thaw for an hour before you use it. It's paper thin pastry, which when it's baked, it comes out so golden and crispy. So lay out a sheet on your bench and then brush it with some of that melted butter mixture. Then add another sheet on top and stick it down firmly. We're going to be using a slice of feta, which is about 1 centimeter in thickness. Pop it on one end and then fold the pastry over it. Brush the last bit with a little bit more butter just to help it stick and seal. Then with the edges, I like to just cut little triangle pieces and brush them with more butter. Then fold them over the top. It kind of looks like you're about to send a letter, doesn't it? This is going to go on a baking tray. Brush it with a little bit more butter mixture, some sesame seeds, and in the oven for 12 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. Pop it on your serving plate, drizzle it with some honey and more sesame seeds, and guys, trust me, you love salty food, you love sweetness, that flavor combo is to die for. This is the recipe for you. The recipe is on my website, thescranline.com. A link for that is in the box below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. I can hear Zoe crying in the other room, so I'll leave you guys here. And I'll see you on the next episode of the Scran Line. Bye!